Planning changes everything.
Much more of a manufacturing process.
Anytime you can repeat a process, you get faster at it.
We understand the customer pays for the finished product that we leave behind, but how we get there is really where we can apply ourselves.
Here at Lighthouse Electric, we have a mission, a why statement, and that is to build, serve, and connect. We have chosen to invest into innovation and planning.
We started our lean transformation about 4 years ago. We mapped every single activity that we performed from the time we got an RFP to project closeout. And at the end of the 4-month process, we had a lot of takeaways. Number one was that we really needed to standardize and modularize assemblies and shipping to the site just in time. In order to do that, we had to increase the size of our pre-construction department. Our pre-construction department started with about under 10 people when we started this, and we're now over 50 employees dedicated to pre-construction.
PLD is planning, layout, design. They are typically union electricians that come into the office to validate the design of our contract drawings.
I think the value we bring is the experience we get on a job site of actually putting a job together. The workflow, the sequence of the work, so if we can get conduit in early before the ductwork goes in, we can save time, we can prefabricate, and we can get out of the way, and it saves everyone time, even the general contractor.
By bringing in the PLD to work with the VDCs, it's allowed us to scale up to be able to handle mega projects.
What we really found through the value stream mapping process was the standardization of specific pieces and parts to really help build one assembly, eliminate the variation. There's 1,000 ways to put an electrical box in a wall. We have it narrowed down to just a few items. Everything that we really are running through our process turns into the assembly pipeline where we're itemizing all of our bill of materials, really working it just like a manufacturing line from the inception of our kit all the way through shipping. Now we have a process that we can teach to new employees coming into the facility. We're actually seeing from the first time we do something to the next time we do it, a little less than half of the time that it took the first time.
We really push collaboration by having everyone sit in the same area where everyone can kind of see each other's screens or have a center share screen. It really just helps with communication by not needing to send emails all the time. Really, it's just leaning out a lot of the waste.
We actually get ourselves into the level of planning where we can actually go through the models and the virtual designs and all the way to the selection of the tools and the materials they use to install this. When we can do that, we can early identify all of those hazards, and we can also find the best methods to do the installation. And we also do it with the idea that we want to see the highest production. When we're taking our temporary power out, we can actually get it to where we actually have it in the plan on how we're going to actually uninstall that conduit, so that way we don't put ourselves at risk. We're getting access to that temporary installation.
Change is evident in what we're doing. There's change every day. We walk into this system, we always are looking for new ways to do it.
We are always making changes and going back to our standards. We're going to the job sites, we're watching installations, and we're seeing what can be tweaked. And we're always moving that needle.